Think you need to spend a fortune for buttery smooth gaming visuals? Think again. Because in 2026, budget monitors are packing specs that rival premium models with up to 500 Hz refresh rates, 1 millisecond response times, and crystal clear colors for a fraction of the price. Let's check out the top 6 best budget gaming monitors of 2026 that give you maximum performance, minimum cost. Let's start with a monster from Alienware that completely redefines what budget performance means. The Alienware AW2524HF is an absolute speed demon, with a 24.5-inch Full HD display running at a mind-blowing 500 Hz refresh rate. Yes, 500. It's built for competitive gamers who crave zero lag and maximum precision. That insane 0.5 millisecond response time means every flick, every shot, every reaction happens instantly. It's powered by an IPS panel, so you still get rich color accuracy and wide viewing angles, perfect for FPS, racing, and fast-paced esports titles. The design, Alienware's signature clean aesthetic with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustability for total comfort. Plus, the 3-year advanced exchange warranty makes it one of the most reliable investments you can make. If you play competitive shooters like Valorant, CS2, or Apex Legends, this might just be your endgame monitor. But if you're looking for something simpler and way cheaper, the next pick might surprise you. Now here's one you didn't see coming. The Amazon Basics 24-inch IPS monitor. This is the ultimate budget pick for anyone who wants a smooth and reliable display for under $150. It offers a full HD 1080 IPS resolution, a 75 Hz refresh rate, and is powered by AOCD display technology, meaning better color balance and consistency than most cheap monitors out there. You get HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA inputs, built-in speakers, and Visa mount compatibility, making it great for both gaming and home office setups. Sure, it's not going to break esports records, but for casual gaming, streaming, and general use, it delivers way more than its price suggests. But if you want that perfect mid-range balance of performance and price, Dell's next pick nails it. The Dell G2725D is a powerhouse for gamers who want sharp visuals without overspending. You're getting a 27-inch QHD display, meaning you'll see sharper textures and cleaner edges than standard Full HD. It packs a 180 Hz refresh rate, 2 millisecond response time, and 99% sRGB color coverage, giving you a mix of speed and vibrancy ideal for both gaming and creative work. Dell's Comfort View technology reduces blue light for longer sessions, and with AMD FreeSync, screen tearing is a thing of the past. Plus, its minimalist design and tilt adjustability make it an excellent choice for clean desk setups. If you want premium visuals under $1,000 without cutting corners, this is the sweet spot. But HP's next model steps it up with some serious color performance. The HP OMEN 27Q is made for gamers who care about both performance and visuals. It features a 27-inch QHD display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, IPS panel, and a super smooth 2 millisecond response time. The color reproduction is fantastic, 99% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3 coverage, making it ideal for designers, streamers, and content creators who also game. HP's FreeSync Premium ensures buttery frame pacing, while the sleek OMEN design gives it a clean, premium look. It's a perfect mix of speed, style, and color accuracy, making it one of the most balanced monitors in this lineup. And if you're Team Xiaomi, the next pick proves budget gaming can look incredible. Don't sleep on Xiaomi. Their G24i gaming monitor delivers stunning value for money. It's a 24-inch Full HD display running at a 180 Hz refresh rate, with a 1 millisecond response time, which is rare in this price bracket. The fast IPS panel covers 99% sRGB, giving you bright, punchy colors and excellent contrast. It supports AMD FreeSync, offers both HDMI 2.0 and a DisplayPort 1.4, and has an ultra-wide 178-degree viewing angle for immersive visuals. Perfect for console gaming, PCs, or even dual setups, the G24i is proof that Xiaomi's budget lineup can easily compete with the big names. But our last monitor, from Pixio, takes the budget QHD experience to the next level. Finishing strong, the Pixio PX277 Prime Neo is easily one of the best 27-inch QHD monitors, under $300. It rocks a fast IPS panel, 180 Hz refresh rate, and a lightning-fast 1 millisecond GTG response time, all while maintaining sharp, vivid colors at 1440p resolution. The adaptive sync technology eliminates ghosting and tearing, making it perfect for immersive gaming or fast-paced esports. The build quality is sleek yet simple, and the colors pop beautifully without oversaturation. A great balance for both gaming and content creation. If you want near premium performance without the premium price tag, this is the sleeper hit you shouldn't skip. All these monitors are available now. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Which one are you picking for your next setup? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more budget tech roundups every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about how much you spend, it's about how smooth your game runs. See you in the next one.